Transforming a room with ceramic floor tiles can seem daunting, but with a few simple steps, anyone can achieve stunning results. The process begins with careful planning. First, choose tiles that fit your style and the needs of your space. Measure your room precisely to calculate how many tiles you need, always allowing extra for mistakes and future repairs. Next, prepare your surface. Remove any old flooring, debris, or adhesive and ensure the subfloor is smooth, clean, and dry. For the best results, install a cement backer board if your subfloor isn't already concrete. This creates a sturdy, even foundation for your tiles and helps prevent cracks. Find the center point of the room by measuring and snapping chalk lines. This helps lay out tiles evenly, avoiding awkward edge tiles. Dry fit the tiles before applying any adhesive, making small adjustments to your pattern as necessary. Once you're happy with the layout, mix your thin-set mortar according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Using a notched trowel, spread a small section of mortar at a time so it doesn't dry out. Press each tile firmly into place, using spacers between tiles to ensure consistent, even grout lines. Allow the tiles to set for at least 24 hours. Once they're secure, remove the spacers and mix your grout. Working in small sections, fill the joints with grout, holding the rubber float at a 45-degree angle. Wipe away excess with a damp sponge, being careful not to disturb the grout lines. Let the grout cure fully, then seal both tiles and grout if necessary for added protection. Finally, give your new floor a thorough cleaning to reveal a beautiful, professional look. With patience and attention to detail, installing ceramic floor tiles can be easy and deeply rewarding.